path on commercialization?
This is actually one of the areas where I think YC's advice is pretty good, and it resonates with almost every company that I can think of. It's basically pick a beachhead market, pick a specific customer that you want to solve a problem for, and solve their problem really, really well. From there, you can expand, but we're not going to try to boil the ocean, and we're not going to solve aerodynamics and CFD simulations for every single application out there. We're going to solve a problem for a very specific set of users, make them really happy with this product, and then expand from there. And I think that's really just good startup advice all around.
Yeah, the only thing I would add there is if there's uncertainty in regards to if there will be a paying customer, where it's maybe a great idea, but you just don't know if anyone wants it, I'd strongly encourage to reach out to anyone in industry who might be a customer and just understand what their actual problems are. It's always helpful to just have those conversations, and maybe they explain a problem that really is you're passionate about and you really want to work on. And so you inherently just get the inverse of now you have a customer, you know what their problem is, and now you build to that. And a lot of the times, especially if you're kind of earlier in your career or in college still, people in industry are willing to have the 30-minute conversation. Because I think throughout my career, I've reached out to a number of different people and gotten the slight mentorship. And so I think people are always willing to pass it on.
Yeah, and you really should be your own customer. Like you shouldn't start a company for a product that you would never have used or never had used the thing you're replacing or would have used in industry. It really should be you should be your first target audience, in my view. I think that's really how you get the best products.
Yeah, cool. So yeah, be your own audience, I guess.
Yeah.
Identify that beachhead market really early on and reach out, I suppose, often and a lot. And in the reaching out process, I mean, are you just talking cold emailing, just finding people online who might have the expertise or within your own network?
I would definitely say, I mean, I think this comes with the commentary at the start of the conversation around internships being extremely valuable. Being on site with a bunch of great engineers at really any company, just having those conversations over lunch is super awesome. Throughout internship experience, you end up gaining that network such that you can just reach out to some of the engineers you cross paths with or worked with to ask these questions, or friends of friends, right? And so I think everyone in college is always struggling through it together, trying to lift each other up as you all move into industry.